Do you think he actually disappears, or do you think he stays where we left him?
Nah, you're probably fine. Get that picture put over. I think that may be the last one.
I don't think so.
I think I know what's in here.
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, I think I know what this is.
Okay, this is... They showed us coming in here.
Oh, this is the part of the videotape. This isn't what I think it is. Thinking it is though.
No.
Actually, it might be what I think it is.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Stop it!
This is what I think it is.
What is it? Am I gonna die? Ah! Oh my god, dude!
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Dance, dance, find room 302.
That was the most pointless thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
I thought that was for finding everything, but I'm glad it wasn't. I'm glad we didn't have to find everything for that.
That was so stupid.
Buddy, go put the fucking picture on the wall. You got a picture.
Is that the last one?
I think it is. I know we got a few. Try interacting with it. Oh, hell yeah! Congratulations, found room 302.
I hated that. Okay, so this is where we actually need to be. Oh, if the Matrix can stop me anything, it's take the red pill.
It's the only one that's different too.
Oh, seems we have to take all of them. Red, white, and blue, baby. Okay, I guess we'll go blue then. Green.
Blue and yellow, purple.
Dwayne just like my mama for real.
Stand back up. Crouch again.
Okay, take it. The music's getting louder. Oh, there's something behind me. I'm sprinting to the door. No, dude. Seriously? Stop it! Cool. So now I'm just high. Okay. This door is...
Ooh, candy.
Oh, you're being stupid.
I think that's knocking off chains. It is. Something to wash that down?
It won't actually let me in there. Ah! I'll leave you to it!
I don't know what happened. Of course it's jammed. Oh, the door's unlocked. What'd you even scream?
That's I'll leave you to it. Hatred, greed, indifference, soulless, suffocation, no breathing. Can't see California without Marlon Brando's eyes. Okay. What was I supposed to do then? Oh.
I was closing in. The metaphors are deep with this.
I'm guessing I have to sneak to the lighthouse.
you run.
I can, yeah. Don't mind me, sir. I have lots of experience. I have all the crackheads from back home. It's kind of how you just walk by them when they're doing their thing. Yep. Yep. All good. Have fun. Oh, guess we'll get in the boat. Okay. That's what I tell my girlfriend. That same thing. What you get?
Got it.
You need to perform this action. Okay. Just a nice scenic. Is that an apple?
It is.
What's with the apples, man?
Can you look to your left? Oh, I think you missed it.
What was that?
Oh, there's a whole ass face over there.
I want to explore, but I'm so tired of exploring.
It seems like this is pretty linear.
Oh. You're just like me for real.
You know, considering how this game started, I think that's pretty true.
Hey, don't thrust me right up on, guy, okay?
Yeah, I think you're fine to run. Just go.
I can't. Okay. I still don't know what that funny little phone call was about, or the hot chocolate. I guess we start our journey.
Your domain. I was waiting for you impatiently. What? You told me this isn't your domain? Nonsense! It's the fruit of your hard labor. Can't you see how everyone enjoys their time here? It's all thanks to you they have this newfound home. How fulfilled they all seem. Some of them might look a little lost, I concur, but what of it? They have a place to be for all of eternity. Delightful for them, courtesy of Dwayne Anderson. The dead will whisper tales of your achievements, and you will be remembered forever. Now, up you go, chap. Go have a look at your masterpiece.
Funny bird man. What the fuck did you do, Dwayne? Buddy, come on, get up these stairs.
I'm going as fast as he'll go.
Look at the window. Something's gonna get your ass. You know what I think? I think Dwayne may have been a doctor.
I think he killed his patients.
I think so. Then say it seems like every chapter we went through, there was at least one hospital. Or
It did say that hospital was. Remember, it said Dwayne Anderson working.
yeah. Then say it would make sense because all the chapters had some form of hospital or doctor intervention in patients.
You think he killed Lucy, killed Rockin'? Had
Yeah.
they misdiagnosed Dolores?
Yeah, I think he may have had a hand in driving all of them insane and leading them to this.
The lore unravels.
Okay, Dwayne Anderson.
That would be the prescribing doctor, right? Or is that who the prescription's for?
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't see. Shit.
Explain this to me. Please talk to me. I love you, Dwayne. I want to help you. First the alcohol and now this? Who prescribed you this and why?
Yep.
I want to know so I can help you through it. Are you slowly going insane, Dwayne? Should we be worried? Because we are. Recently, you've been scaring everyone with your cold indifference. Are you thinking of leaving us? What do you want to run from so bad that you drug yourself every day? Do you want to die, Dwayne?
Okay, let's be ready to run.
That, you know,
Oh,
I'm only with you because you have money. It's probably blood money, but I don't care. I don't care about you.
If
You want to die, I'll happily oblige. You want me to kick the bucket? Life would be so much easier without your mopey face around, you delusional fuck. Want me to stab you with 7 knives? Want me to rip the jaw off your ugly face? Break both your legs and leave you to rot in a cellar. You're a
that's
disgrace.
what happened to Rock and
People
Lucy.
despise you. I despise you. Your children despise you. You're horrifying. You should die. You know what? Forget it. I don't want to help you die. Do it yourself. I won't help you into release. Kill yourself by yourself alone. And go to hell where you belong!
Okay. Awesome.
Fuck you too, bitch.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, back in the house. It's not a loading screen, I don't think.
Oh,
It's one of them.
that's just,
It's happened multiple times throughout this whole thing.
yeah, they can't do that.
Oh, believe it or not, the basement. Was that all of them?
No.
The spot looks like it got smaller.
Yeah.
We got one more tape.
Yeah.
What would that one be, Daryl? Do you know where it's at?
Nope.
Well, it's probably gonna be upstairs somewhere. Let's give it the old pause and then skip on to it.
Did we put that last tape back?
Think
We did.
so?
No, it's still playing.
Yeah, we're still missing one.
Okay. Let's just store this quickly.